Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch S2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon, and this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable this mode, and Do Not Disturb mode basically, tap on this icon, tap on the screen, and the icon which should change the color should get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you go back to watch face, you will also see the icon at the top of the watch face, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, you need to open the quick panel, tap on the icon. You will see the message DND mode off. The icon will go back to the gray color. And if you go back to watch face, the icon from the watch face will also disappear, which also indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also do this through the settings. We can enable and disable the mode through the settings, and there we have a couple more options. So if you wake up the screen, then press the crown button to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called the DND. And once you find it, tap on it. And here we have three options. We have all day. If you select this option, the Do Not Disturb mode will be turned on, and it will stay on until you turn it off. Next we have scheduled. And if you enable this option, it allows you to make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. So basically it will turn on automatically at certain time and turn off automatically at certain time. And we can tap on start time, set it to something we like, for example, like 11:30. Okay. And the end time, maybe to 7:30. Okay. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 11:30 p.m. and turning off at 7:30 a.m. And if you want to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, you can simply tap on off option and it will be turned off. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.